What a load of bollocks. You lot are out there spending a bloody fortune on goji berries and kale smoothies when some of the most nutritious ingredients are practically begging for attention in the bargain bins. Are you having a laugh? You think you need some fancy overpriced superfood to get healthy? Listen up, you donkey. Today, I'm taking you on a culinary boot camp, showing you 10 dirt-cheap superfoods hiding in plain sight at your local grocery store. Get ready to ditch the overpriced nonsense and discover real nutrition without emptying your wallet. What if I told you some of the healthiest foods cost less than $1? Yet, most people ignore them for expensive health trends. Today, I'll show you 10 crazy affordable superfoods hiding in your grocery store. Let's go. Canned sardines! Yes, you heard me right. Those little fishies are hidden gems of the sea packed with more omega-3s than salmon. And the price? About 50 cents a serving. Less than your fancy bottled water. Stop making excuses about the taste. Get those tins open and put them on some toast. A drizzle of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon, and boom. You've got a gourmet meal on a budget, packed with protein, leaving protein bars in the dust. Build muscle, improve brain function, and feel full for hours. Canned sardines are your new best friend. Toss them in salads, pastas, or make a sardine pâté, so there you have it. Embrace their cheap, nutritious goodness. Next up, we're tackling the freezer aisle, a place where many a sad, wilted vegetable meets its demise. But fear not, because frozen spinach is here to save the day. This leafy green superhero is like the Incredible Hulk of the vegetable world, bursting with iron and vitamins that'll make you feel strong enough to lift a double-decker bus. And the best part? It's cheaper than a takeaway coffee. I'm talking 30 cents a serving for a mountain of green goodness that'll make you wonder why you ever bothered with those overpriced salad bags that wilt faster than your enthusiasm for healthy eating. Now I know what you're thinking. Gordon, frozen spinach is boring. You think I got 3 Michelin stars by being boring? Get a grip. Frozen spinach is like a blank canvas, just begging for some culinary creativity. Whiz it into smoothies for a sneaky green boost that you won't even taste, stir it into soups, stews, and sauces for an extra dose of nutrients, or simply sauté it with some garlic and olive oil for a side dish that's quicker and tastier than ordering takeout. No more excuses about wilted lettuce or overpriced kale. So there you have it, you lazy sods. Frozen spinach, cheap, cheerful, and packed with enough nutrients to make you invincible. Alright, you lot, listen up. Let's talk about breakfast, the most important meal of the day. Who needs sugary cereals that cost a fortune and leave you hungry an hour later? I'm talking about oats, the unsung heroes of breakfast. These powerhouses provide long-lasting energy without emptying your wallet. And the price? Just 10 cents a serving. Forget fancy breakfast fads, oats are the real deal. Packed with fiber, they keep you full and regulate your digestive system. Plus, they're loaded with vitamins and minerals. Oats are like a blank canvas, begging for creativity. Top them with fruit, nuts, or nut butter for a delicious breakfast. So there you have it. Oats, cheap, cheerful, and packed with energy. Chapter 4. Eggs, the incredible, edible, affordable protein powerhouse. Let's talk about eggs, shall we? Those little oval wonders are like the culinary equivalent of a Swiss Army knife, versatile, reliable, and always ready to tackle any meal of the day. And the best part? They're cheaper than a pint in some places. We're talking 20 cents a serving for a protein punch that'll make those overpriced protein shakes cower in fear. Eggs are a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle, boost your brain power, and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Scramble them with some veggies for a quick and nutritious breakfast. Fry them up sunny side up and slap them on a burger for a protein boost that'll make your taste buds sing. Or if you're feeling fancy, whip up an omelet or frittata and stuff it with all your favorite ingredients. So there you have it, you bunch of numpties. Eggs, cheap, versatile, and packed with enough protein to fuel your day. Chapter 5. Bananas, the potassium powerhouse. That's always in season. Listen up, you lot. Let's talk about bananas, those bright yellow bundles of joy that are like the culinary equivalent of a warm hug. They're sweet, satisfying, and packed with potassium, the electrolyte that helps regulate your blood pressure, keeps your muscles functioning properly, and prevents those dreaded muscle cramps. And the best part? They're cheaper than a cup of coffee. We're talking 15 cents a serving for a potassium powerhouse that'll make those overpriced sports drinks look like a complete ripoff. Bananas are nature's perfect on-the-go snack, providing a quick burst of energy and essential nutrients to keep you going throughout the day. Slice them up and add them to your breakfast cereal or yogurt for a potassium boost that'll make you feel like you can conquer the world. Blend them into smoothies for a creamy and delicious treat that's packed with vitamins and minerals. So, there you have it, you Muppets. Bananas cheap, cheerful, and packed with enough potassium to power you through even the toughest workout. Chapter 6. Cabbage, the budget-friendly cruciferous superstar. Right, you lot, it's time to talk about cabbage, that humble, leafy vegetable that often gets overlooked in the produce aisle. But don't let its unassuming appearance fool you. Cabbage is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that'll blow your mind. And the best part? It's cheaper than a loaf of bread. We're talking 10 cents a serving for a cruciferous superstar that'll make those overpriced salad mixes look like a complete ripoff. Shred it up and toss it into salads for a crunchy and refreshing bite. Sauté it with some onions and garlic for a simple and delicious side dish. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, try your hand at making sauerkraut, a fermented cabbage dish that's both delicious and good for your gut health. So there you have it, you bunch of donkeys. Cabbage cheap, cheerful, and packed with enough nutrients to make you feel like $1,000,000. Let's talk about sweet potatoes, shall we? Those vibrant orange spuds are like the culinary equivalent of sunshine on a plate, bringing warmth, sweetness, and a whole lot of nutrition to your table. And the best part? They're cheaper than a cinema ticket. We're talking 25 cents a serving for a nutritional powerhouse that'll make those overpriced processed snacks cower in fear. Sweet potatoes are loaded with vitamin A, an essential nutrient that's crucial for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. Roast them whole and top them with your favorite toppings for a hearty and satisfying meal. Cube them and roast them with herbs and spices for a delicious side dish that'll make your taste buds sing. Or if you're feeling adventurous, try your hand at making sweet potato fries, a healthier and tastier alternative to their deep-fried counterparts. Simply toss them with some olive oil, spices, and bake until golden brown and crispy. So there you have it, you numpties. Sweet potatoes, cheap, cheerful, and packed with enough nutrients to make you feel like you can conquer the world. Right, you lot, it's time to talk about lentils. Those tiny lens-shaped legumes that are often overlooked in the grocery store. But don't let their size fool you. Lentils are nutritional powerhouses packed with protein, fiber, iron, and other essential nutrients that'll blow your mind. And the best part? They're cheaper than a bus ticket. We're talking 20 cents a serving for a nutritional powerhouse that'll make those overpriced protein bars look like a complete rip-off. Lentils are incredibly versatile and easy to cook, making them a pantry staple in kitchens around the world. Add them to soups and stews for a hearty and satisfying meal that'll warm you from the inside out. Use them as a base for vegetarian burgers or meatballs for a protein-packed alternative to meat. Or if you're short on time, simply cook them up with some water or broth and use them as a base for salads, grain bowls, or even tacos. So there you have it, you bunch of donkeys. Lentils, cheap, cheerful, and packed with enough nutrients to fuel your day. Listen up, you lot. Let's talk about peanut butter, that creamy, nutty spread that's like a warm hug for your taste buds. But peanut butter isn't just delicious, it's also incredibly nutritious. Packed with protein, healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. And the best part? It's cheaper than a therapy session. We're talking 15 cents a serving for a nutrient-packed powerhouse that'll satisfy your cravings and nourish your body without breaking the bank. Now, I'm not talking about that sugary processed stuff that's loaded with added sugar and unhealthy fats. I'm talking about natural peanut butter, the kind that's made with just peanuts and a touch of salt. Spread it on toast or rice cakes for a quick and easy snack, add it to smoothies for a protein and flavor boost. So there you have it, you muppets. Peanut butter cheap, cheerful, and packed with enough nutrients to make you feel like $1,000,000. Right, you lot, it's time to talk about carrots. Those crunchy, vibrant superstars that are often relegated to the side of the plate. But don't let their humble appearance fool you. Carrots are nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that'll blow your mind. And the best part? They're cheaper than a parking ticket. We're talking 10 cents a serving for a nutritional powerhouse that'll make those overpriced snack packs look like a complete ripoff. Carrots are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Munch on them raw for a crunchy and satisfying snack. Roast them with herbs and spices for a delicious side dish that'll make your taste buds sing. Add them to soups and stews for a touch of sweetness and color. So there you have it, you bunch of donkeys. Carrots, cheap, cheerful, and packed with enough nutrients to make you feel like you can conquer the world. There you have it, you lot. 10 super cheap and healthy foods that should be staples in your kitchen. No more excuses about expensive superfoods or complicated recipes. These ingredients are easy to find, easy to cook, and easy on your wallet. And here's a bonus tip for you. You can find most of these ingredients at dollar stores. That's right, you don't even need to go to a fancy grocery store to eat healthy on a budget. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, stock up on these budget-friendly superfoods and start cooking up a storm. And don't forget to let me know in the comments below which of these ingredients you'll be trying first. Now get out there and make me proud.